Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about complementary solutions. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first derivative of yc, we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. After we do first derivative of e to the power of lambda s, you got this one. Now we go to second derivative of yc, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. And the next one, so I will put this one gone here. This one gone here. And this one gone here. So e to the power of lambda s, we can do about factorization. And now we need to find the solution of this one in here. Now we can do about factorization by lambda. And now we need to find the solutions of lambda. So we have lambda equals to number 0, lambda equals to negative number 2, and lambda equals to negative number 3. So in this situation, we have y equals to yc. And we know that we put number 0, negative number 2, negative number 3, go back in here. And now we have c number 1, that is about the constant number 1, e to the power of 0s. This one we have number 1, so we can write c number 1. C number 2, that is about the constant number 2, e to the power of negative 2s. And c number 3, that is about the constant number 3, e to the power of negative 3s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.